Think a dollar is a dollar? With Amex points, that's not always true. American Express membership rewards points can be worth different amounts depending on how you use them. Cashback gives fixed value. Points can unlock higher value through transfers and travel redemptions. Here's an example: a $500 flight versus the same ticket using points. Transfer 60,000 Amex points to a partner airline and book a one-way business class seat worth $1,200. That turns each point into 2 cents, double the value of a simple cash redemption. So how do you capture that value? Follow these simple steps. Tip 1. Prioritize transfer partners with award availability and known sweet spots. Tip 2. Avoid the Amex travel portal unless it offers bonus value for the booking. Tip 3. Use one-way bookings, mix partners, and search off-peak dates to lower points cost. Hotels can also deliver outsized value. 60,000 points for a luxury night often beats a $400 cash rate. Use points for premium travel, track award charts, and your points will beat cash consistently.